The tire also is broken. Asking the road since we have lost. Yeah.
They're saying the roads are bad.
The road is very bad this side.
Apparently.
So then we have to go back. Okay. But the road here looks good, no? But I think the up. Stop here for a while since it rained. Now we're hitting the road again. I left my key here. Good. So today is going to be the most interesting ride of this year, I guess. We're going to a very off-roady. Stuck here. I hope she can go. Itu play jauh paribo to. Itu hilai dile. Mati aja. All the cakes are here. Before it was the muddy road. Now we are in the green road, entering to the forest land. My goodness, I don't know, Mr. Kapu, where is he taking us? What kind of training he's giving us today on the motorcycle day? But I'm enjoying. I haven't done this for many years. I'm enjoying, actually, having fun. And just kind of road, put it in your first gear and let the engine roll by itself. then the control of the road is maintained by the bike itself. So it's not that difficult. But if we try to accelerate this kind of place, the rear tire can slip. It's a slow throttle, first gear, and you keep going down. Okay, one of us dropped the bike again. It's okay. Let's keep going up. Itu uthato easy na hoite olop risk thakise because sleeping korato sida ene ahi porele to kono hoy na sleep hoy kene
World music kibale jabo gwaro
music will be very smelling body.
ah, ini ya, ini jauh. Ekta swim